In the last video, we learned how to multiply numbers swiftly using the direct method in Trachtenberg system. But in that video, we kept ourselves multiplying with just a 2-digit number. Okay. And in this video, we will generalize it. We will learn how to multiply any number by any other number using this direct method. So let's begin. Hello geniuses, so welcome to this another video in this Trachtenberg series. So this video is going to be really easy and intuitive for you if you have seen this previous video on this direct method. Okay, so I will highly recommend you to watch this video and then watch this video so that understanding this video is really easy for you. So let's jump right into the method with this example. So 213 times 121. Now you tell me how many zeros should I add in front of this 213? If your answer is 3 zeros, you are correct because there are 3 digits in 121. Okay, so we add 3 zeros in front of 213. Now we start multiplying and it is exactly same as before. First make an arch like this, same as before. 3 times 1 is 3. Now the second step is also same as before. 2 arches, inside pair and outside pair. Okay, and multiply it similarly as before. So see, 3 times 2 is 6 and 1 times 1 is 1, so 7. So till now it's like multiplying 13 with 21, same as before. Now in the next step, here comes a new thing and it is really simple. We just make 3 arches. Okay, and it is from the outside to the inside. Remember, we need to find the digit below 2. So 2 will be the part of the outermost pair. So we make 3 pairs like this and multiply as before. So see, 2 times 1, 2, 1 times 2, 2, and 3 times 1 is 3, so 7. As simple as that. Now in the next step, move this arch like this. Or again go from the outermost pair, which is from the 0 this time, to the innermost pair, and remember to only make 3 arches. Okay, and again repeat this process. So it is simple, 0 plus 4 plus 1, which is 5. Now again move this arch and it is 0 plus 0 plus 2, so 2. And if you want, you can again move this arch, or you can go from the outermost pair to the innermost pair. So it is just 0 times 0 times 0, so 0. So see, it's simple. We have 3 arches and all go from this 0. So everything will be 0 and there will be no number. So 0. So we won't need this last 0 in here. We will need it if we have some carry. Okay. So this is our answer and it is as simple as that. Now let us try this example, and this time we will try to go as fast as we can. And it is really easy too. 302 times 114. So 8. Now 2 arches, 0 plus 2, 2. Now again this time 3 arches from the outermost pair to the innermost pair. So 12 plus 0 plus 2, 14. So 4 and a dot for a carry. Now again move 0 plus 3 plus 0 plus 1 from the carry. So 4. Now again move 0 plus 0 plus 3, so 3. Now we don't have any carry, so no need to go further, and this is our answer, and this is how easy it is. So in general, the number of arches is equal to the number of digits in the number which you are trying to multiply with. So for example, if you have a 4-digit number, the maximum number of arches will be equal to 4. In starting there will be 1 arch, then 2 arches, then 3 arches, and so on to a maximum of 4 arches. If there is a 5-digit number that you are trying to multiply with, then there will be 5 arches, as simple as that. Now to understand this better, let us take this example. Let us try to multiply with a 4-digit number and see how it works. So see, 3 times 4, 12, 2 and a dot. Now 2 arches, 0 plus 3 plus 1 from carry, so 4. Now 3 arches from the outermost pair to the innermost pair. So 4 plus 0 plus 6. So 10, 0 and a dot. Now from 2 we need 4 arches this time because we are multiplying with a 4-digit number here. So from the outermost pair to the innermost pair, 8 plus 1 plus 0 plus 9 and a carry, 19, 9 and a dot. Now move these 4 arches further or make 4 arches from this 0 from the outermost pair to the innermost pair. We have 0 plus 2 plus 2 plus 0 and a carry, which is equal to 5. So 5. Now again move these 4 arches. So 0 plus 0 plus 4 plus 3, 7. Now again move these 4 arches. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3 times 2 is 6. So 6. Now the next 4 arches will be on all zeros and we don't have a carry, so we do not need to do this step. So this is our answer, and this is how you can multiply any number with any other number using this direct method from Trachtenberg system. And one really interesting thing to note is this. If you have seen the mental math series, there I have taught you that crisscross method. This method and that crisscross method are really similar, just that crisscross method is more mental and this method is made for efficient calculation on paper. Okay, so always remember that Trachtenberg system is nothing new. It is just an efficient way to do math on paper. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. In the further videos, we will explore more of this Trachtenberg system. Thanks for watching this video and always remember that math is everything.